Hello everyone, and welcome back to Supernova 101. In this video, we'll show you how to customize your documentation to align seamlessly with your brand's unique look and feel. Whether you need minor styling tweaks or a complete transformation, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The first set of customization options is available right inside the documentation editor. Here, you can fine-tune the appearance of individual blocks to match your aesthetic needs. When you select a block, you'll see all available styling, property options, and variants in the right-hand panel. These define how the block looks and behaves. Before making changes live, don't forget to hit the preview button to see how your updates will appear to your users. You can also customize each page and page header independently through the page settings in the editor. This allows you to add a hero image, adjust the header alignment, and configure other visual elements for each page. To ensure brand consistency across your entire documentation site, you can apply global styles. Start by customizing the navigation layout, choosing between site only or top and side navigation. For full brand control, go to the customization section in your documentation settings. In the look and feel section, you can update key branding elements like updating your brand's logo, setting your brand colors, using tokens pulled directly from your design data to keep everything on brand. For advanced styling, you can modify your documentation's visual identity using theme overrides or custom CSS, giving you precise control over your documentation's design. From navigation to the footer, all the tools you need to refine your documentation's global appearance are available in the customization section of the documentation settings. Need an even more tailored experience? For enterprise users, Supernova offers custom documentation templates, a powerful option for those who need additional sections or highly specific design customizations. Think of it as a semi-headless solution. You can clone and modify the default documentation template code. To explore custom documentation templates, head to the Advanced Settings tab in your documentation settings. You'll also find detailed guidance in our developer documentation on how to implement them. Links are down below. And that is how you can customize your documentation to perfectly match your brand using Supernova. By leveraging these powerful customization options, you can create a seamless, professional, and fully branded experience for your documentation users. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next Supernova 101. Until then, happy designing!